So this is a luffing jib tower crane. Here's the tower. You can slew just like the other crane. Slowly. It's called a luffing jib. The jib is the word for the boom. In tower cranes they call the boom the jib. And luffing means to change the angle, like this. Okay. I use cranes like this more often with my classes because there are more opportunities to compute the angle and use trigonometry and figure out where the center of gravity is. So we've got just a one brick load, but I've got 5 bricks for counterweight. Plus we have the weight of the crane, which is pretty heavy. But because the jib is so long and remember, it's weight times distance. This distance is about 3.5 feet. If I lower the jib, it might actually be closer to 4 or 5 feet. So even though the load is only 1 brick, multiplied by 5 feet, 60 inches, is a lot. That's why we need plenty of counterweight. Remember, we measure from the pivot point, which is at the outrigger down there, which is about 2 feet from the outrigger to the center of gravity of the counterweight. Plus, we measure, we include the weight of the crane. This is a windlass. I have it in all my cranes. A windlass is a wheel and an axle. The line or the string wraps around the axle, so when you turn the wheel, the line goes with it, and that's how you can raise and lower things. See that sprocket? If the sprocket wasn't there, and I was just raising the load like this and let go, that's what's going to happen. Can you see? You get it from from maybe. See how that works? Automatic brake. Now, for the windlass holding up the jib, because this is more critical. If somehow this automatic brake disengaged, everything goes boom. So I have a high-tech solution. I drilled a hole through both of those. Now it's permanently locked. Very simple. Okay, so on the website there'll be plenty of exercises showing how to compute how much load you can lift depending on the angle of the jib, depending on the amount of counterweight you have, and the safety factor, which I'll talk about on the website. That's it.